Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to join Google Meet or Google Meeting Join It. So if this is your first time use this Google Meet app, uh, you can easily join a new meeting. Not start new meeting by yourself, but maybe you got invitation to join. It's very easy to do. Just one tap and you can join. All you have to do, just open the link that I shared to you. For example, this one, meet.google.com blah blah blah. You can click the link and directly go to the meeting, and then just ask to join, and the admin will accept your request, but you have to wait in the room. So just wait, and then you in a minute or in a second you will be joining meeting. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.